Hello everyone, trust you are good, trust we're doing great. In today's video, I'll be showing how to get 11 labs 30 days plan. And how do we do that? First of all, within the whole step here, the URL, our IP address, our bank card, and we need the Discord account at least 1 week old or another account. So if you don't have a Discord account, if you create a new Discord account, it won't work. So we need a old Discord account, like a Discord account that's like 2 weeks old, or an account that has been like months old or something. So first and first is, and also you can join, before I continue, also you can join my WhatsApp channel from here, and yeah, subscribe to the YouTube channel where you saw this video, and yeah, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, because I'll be posting some videos there, and also on Facebook. Let's continue. So first and first, we need a VPN. We need our IP to be in USA, and for that we need a VPN. So first and first, we get a VPN. I'll be using Urban VPN, and I'll be using Urban VPN. And why using Urban VPN? Okay, so I'll be using United States. So I'll be connecting to the United States and waiting for it to load. While waiting, I'm still waiting, and boom, we're connected to United States. So first and first is, since we're connected to United States, we need to create our account, and when creating our account, we need to do it in what's on incognito mode. I do put it here. So first thing is, click on this place, then copy the link, go to an incognito mode, paste the link, wait for it to load, continue. Wait for it to load. Then when you are here, you can either use a temp email or a temp number to sign up. There's no big deal. I'll be using a temp email, and I'll click on sign in. And okay, I was thinking it was going to allow me use email, but I was thinking it was going to allow me use email. I'm coming. Let me see if I can use email to sign in. If I can't use mail, then I'll be using a number. So I'll go back to this, and shit, I'll be needing a number. Okay, that's not a big deal though. I'll come here and search for temp number. So when you search for temp number, wait for it to load, and this particular one, click on it. Once it loads, check. You can actually switch your country from here, either United States or United Kingdom, or anyone. So I'll be making use of United States, which is +1, and I'll be getting a free number from here. So I'll be making use of United States number, and I'll be making use of this one. Let me try this one. Let me see if it's active or not, and wait for it to load. So yeah, my number is actually load, and as you can see, the number is active. It's a virtual number. So what I do is I copy it from here to here, and I copy my number. So after copying the number, I paste it here, wait for it to load. Okay, it's a very Canada number, I don't know. Send a verification code, wait for it, come here, wait a little bit, or you refresh. Either refresh or wait a little bit. As you can see, it's already refreshing, so I just need to wait a little bit. Let me press refresh from here. Close the ads. Okay, and yeah, this is our code. So just click to copy, then come back here and paste your code. Verify, and boom, we are in. So now the whole saga is actually here, because for you to get in, normally we're supposed to use like a temp mail for you to get what we want, but I'm not sure they call it temp mail anymore. So let me say, let me go to my profile and see if there's a place I can get my mail. Okay, so this is my mail. This is my mail. So I need to know this mail on my head. You get window V. Let me see if it copies. Okay, it did not copy. Now we have a big problem. I can't change this mail, isn't it? And I need to copy this mail. Please pay attention to everything I'm doing. First and first is, this is my mail. I'll duplicate this. In case you don't understand any step, you can reach out to me in the DM. Those of you that have my number, and you can also drop your question in the community, in the WhatsApp community. We can't change name, but we can change the mail, but we can change the name. And let me go back to leadership board or the leader board. When you're here, there's no be here one concept. Okay, come here. Okay, and let me click. Okay, so this one, I think it's this one. Scroll down to where you see something like claim offer. Okay, this is it here. 1 month 11 plan creator, claim offer. Okay, claim offer, wait for it to load. And as you can see here, only one ElevenLabs code per email is available. To redeem your code, join ElevenLabs on Discord. Now highlight this link and copy the link. Copy link address. For it to do this, we need to go to our Discord, and my Discord is here, so I'll be using this place. So I'll paste the link here. Wait for it to load. Okay, so when you're here, you click on so you click on accept invite. You click on accept invite. So normal, we know how to do all of this one. Wait, are you human? Schema. Imagine just normal capture, so you can just answer the question and yeah. Okay, so we're in our Discord. This is my Discord account. So let's help you customize it. Blah 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 blah. Okay, you can skip all of this and you can. But I don't want. I don't. So I'm away first. Okay. Oh, I can't skip. Okay, this is a quiet question. Alright. And cool. No, you can pick any of this if you want to, but I don't think I'm actually interested in all of this. So I just pick the one I want. That's the voiceover, music and video, and I'll click on next and okay, click on finish. So according to what we have here, we said join 11 Lab Discord, go to coupon codes channel. So I'll go to coupon codes channel, coupon codes channel, which is actually like down. So this is it here, coupon codes channel, and you click on everyone's biggest issue is always here, including me and everything. Like, so click on coupon codes, and when you're here, I think you need to pay attention because sometimes we mix it up here. And yeah, start redemption. When you start redemption, select an event. I'm coming. I'll need a mail now. So I'll come back here. I'll come to the profile, check the display name, manage your account and track your progress. Accounting 0/11 submission. That's what I mean. Softcar. This is the mail. I'm going to change, and I just want to know which team the person is. I don't know the team, so I can just like, let me randomly pick a team. So I'll say I'm on the 11. No, I'm on the 11 acts. So they'll ask me to put my mail, and this is where I need the mail, which is Miss Oh Jesus Christ. I can't copy the mail, that's my problem. I can't copy the mail. I can't copy it. Let me see, let me try. If you copied. Let me see. It's there. Oh, it's copied, thank God. So submit. This coupon has already been redeemed. Shirts. When I tried the former mail, it's actually like told me that what's it called? Like it has been used. So I tried a different mail and it brought out this stuff, invalid event or email address. So now when I mean try a different mail, how do you get a different mail or how do you get it? Is like this. You sign out and come to temp number and change your number. How do you do that? You click on this to try. So for every number, if you see a mail there, that means someone has actually used it. So what you just need to do is come here, sign out, come here, change the number, copy new number, come here, sign in, and once you see this like this, welcome and set a profile. Just know that okay, you're good to go. Write your name, I am, your mail, the type of the mail you want to use. So I'll be using this one. I am emperor@yahoo.com. So I'll click on continue and creating profile. So yeah, we are good. And I'll go to profile and open. I get this mail. I hope I get this one. I'm hoping I get this one. I hope. So I'll come to you just have to keep trying. Yet sometimes you don't know where it's gonna come from. Yeah, so you just have to try. So I'll give this one, put the mail and send. Yeah, successful. It's great. Like, trust me guys, this is actually beautiful. Yeah, so you get your code, you get your link, and this is it here, your 11 coupon codes. So you click on it, this link, you can copy it, just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to a new tab. You get this is literally awesome. I just want to guys to watch the video. Okay. So now either you create an account or you sign in. This particular mail is on my phone, so I'll send you a link to verify. I'm coming, please. Alright, so yeah, that's going on. Why is it reloading? So your name, I am language English. Thank you. Next. Skip. Back. I saw something there. Sorry. You can actually skip all of this. Skip. Okay, so creator. What would you like to use the level of it? Text to speech, audiobook, music, sound effects, dubbing, voiceover, voice cloning, speech to text, image to video, podcast. Continue. Waiting for it to load. Yeah, so now they said you have a promo code saved for you to use. You can use this coupon code to get a discount on your subscription. This coupon code will give you a creator plan for 1 month checkout. So what do? Subscribe to coupon code. So now, how do we go about it? We need to get our card. Now, I wrote it here. Where's my card? So I leave with my card being here. What do we do is this: copy this number and go to full name on the card. You can put your own card name. Does not mean. Yeah. Address. I think there is no must to get like a perfect address. So don't save my card for future purpose. I don't want. Just check out. I don't send you. You can put your own address. So how do you go about it? I'm sure I've said this thing countless times. Go to this website that is a fake easy. So it's actually like a fake address generator. So it generates fake address for you. This is a Canada address. A Canada address. So I can use a Canada address. So I'll just come here, copy the streets, and so come up with it here. Okay, let's say it's okay. Let me see. Okay, you can say the address. So this is it here. Waiting for it to load, and as you can see, it has actually loaded. Then click on subscribe. I don't processing capture. So as you can see, processing. Hold on for it to load, and as you can see, subscribe. Yeah, there's still that things coming up. Trust me, you don't want to leave my community. It's actually best. Join my WhatsApp channel now, or you're missing out a lot of things. And subscribe to this YouTube channel because trust me, there are more to come. So as you can see, in my ElevenLabs, I can set to authentication. I really need to set it. Yes, you can set it to your own leisure time. That will be later. So close. And as you can see, my current plan, this is it. A creator plan. I have 121,000 credits. I have a lot of things. Everything that is here and here. Everything that is the free package and the starter package. I have everything in my creator package. I can do image to video. As you can see from here, you get. I have view 3 that I can use here. I have other modules like Kling and everything that I can use. I have Kling, I have sedans. Those of you that are looking for sedans, sedans. So I have LTX. I have a lot of things here. Trust me, you will love it. And you can generate images also. So I really want to thank you for watching this video and to get into this part of it. It's actually not easy, but I give you guys the best. I give you guys the best. So you will love it. And yeah, you can do your text to speech. As you know, ElevenLabs, you can do a text to speech. You can do the sound effects. So you can create the sound effects that you want by yourself. You can create the sound effects you want by yourself. You can do a voice oscillator. You can do a voice changer. You can do music same way Suno does music. So you can do your music here. You can do a lot of things. So see you guys later in my next video.